Hi guys, welcome to our next episode. This time we're gonna show you our carpentry workshop. At the heart of our production in the Vannado workshop, components that were precisely cut earlier on CNC machines make their way to our team of craftsmen specialized in campervan woodworking. In the workshop, they undergo processing, fitting and assembly. These elements are transformed into finished furniture that give campervan interiors their distinctive character. We prioritize carefully selected natural materials. For wood treatment and finishing, we use natural oils and enhanced texture and eco-friendly acrylic lacquers that are safe for both the environment and users' health. Our products are aesthetic and natural, so you won't find plastic imitations of wood at Vannado. At Vannado, we seamlessly combine industrial-grade numerical technologies with traditional craftsmanship. CNC machines, grinders, saws, milling machines, and around 600 tools allow us to produce consistent, repeatable series. Yet nothing replaces the trained eye of our skilled camperters. The hand finishing of every element ensures that everything fits perfectly and it's refined to the highest standard. The completed components leave our workshop to become an integral part of the campervan interior. Assembled with the utmost care, they fit the space with comfort and elegance. But that's a story for another video. The Vannado workshop is where passion meets craftsmanship and materials are given a new life. We don't just create furniture. We create experiences that transform every campervan into a space of dreams. Every element that leaves our workshop is the result of a multi-step process where tradition and innovation go hand in hand. Guys, thank you for watching today. If you liked that video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.